Kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk silly science. Today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about paleontology. Now, let me tell you that paleontology is the study of plants, much like these, and animals, much like these, that lived millions and millions of years ago. So you know what? Science is actually called paleontologists. They actually study the remains of these ancient organisms or living things. Yeah, they do. So these remains were called fossils, and they were preserved in rocks, much like this one here. Stuff everywhere. And that's about what paleontologists do too. They get so messy with all this. But what they do is they find these stones and they find places where these organisms or these animals or these dinosaurs, because they are lived hundreds and millions of years ago, right? So they do that and they just dig into the rocks to see what it is that they can find. And they keep on hitting and they keep on hitting until they get something, or they make a rock crack and they find some things. They gotta dig. Check it out. Look, check it out. It's another leg. What? This is a whole body. This is a whole skeleton up in here. I mean, check this out. We're finding all of these fossils underneath in these bones. Look at this. This is what the scientists do too. Well, I gotta chisel that away. But anyway, I've got to find some more dinosaur bones. Check these things out I'm finding in here. That's right. But what I want you to do is I want you to actually make some salt dough for fossils. And you can make your own fossils too, okay? Let me show you how to do it. I'll come back to this, okay? So let me show you how to do it. We're going to take 2½ cups of flour. Okay. Then we're going to take a cup of salt. And we're going to take a ½ cup of water. Now, what we're going to do with this is we're going to take it and stir it up until it becomes very, very firm. Because what you're going to do is you're going to stir it up until it becomes like a ball, okay? All right. And then when you take your salt dough fossil, you're going to have to keep stirring it up because I don't have enough time right now. So you're going to have to keep stirring it up until it makes some dough. And with that dough, you can find shells or rocks or plants or things like that and take them and impress them into your dough where you have your own fossils, okay? Now, you just take those and let those dry. And like these rocks here, okay? And then you can find some fossils too, okay? You'll have your own fossils, okay? So I want you to do that. I want you to do those and make some fossils and dig them. And then I want you to send those to me at WKNO. teacher@gmail.com. I know, I'm still trying to get to these fossils, right? This is so cool. I mean, look at what I'm finding here, and that's what paleontologist does. But I also want you to go to our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org, and I want you to find more information about fossils, worksheets, music, videos, all of that kind of stuff there, okay? And you can, you'll probably find out more about paleontologists and fossils there too, okay? Now, I want to tell you, thank you for being here with me today, and thank you International Paper Foundation for making our silly science happen, and I've got to go and get some more fossils out of this rock, okay? All right, so until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.